After removing the chafe guard, cut the lacing tape from the bundle containing the damaged cable. Cut enough lacing tape to loosen the bundle at least 1 foot on each side of the damage. Cut the damaged section of cable from the wire harness. Remove and discard the damaged section. If more than one cable is damaged, work only one at a time to ensure that you are splicing wires within a single cable. Using the wire strippers and scissors, remove the outer insulation jacket 6 inches or 15 centimeters back from each end of the cut cable. If you are using the heat shrink method, cut a piece of the larger shrink sleeve to extend at least 3/8 of an inch or 0.9 centimeters onto the cable jacket on both sides of the splice area.